stairs on the ground! We got stairs on the ground! Carson. Are you there, Carson? Speak to me, man. Here. You can have my last glove. Holy abacabadabra, it's Friday the 13th. Dude, you're in a hurry, but do you have a chance for an interview?
My friend, I've had a lot of chances and I've had a lot of interviews, so if you follow me, right this way. So I was born in the Philippines, that's a lie. Most of the things I'm going to tell you is a lie. I'm actually in a hurry right now, that's a lie too. I don't know where I'm going, that's also a lie. I'm actually heading in a particular direction. Heading through the storage unit and, hey, where are you going? Wait, come back, I want to talk to you about my life.
Catchy. I gotta go to work and then we're gonna... You can call me, you know I will be right there. You can call me. Hello? Yes, this is he. Tarzan. The fuck is that? Oh. Ah! That's pretty racist, isn't it? No, not what I just did. So you want me to make a soundtrack? In the jungle tonight. Ah, it's a good one, Charles. Khaki. Beans. Okay. We're going on a road.
He's doing a self-included selfie. The radio, what's up the patch?
Yeah, we need tunes.
Yep. Any kind of tunes is fine. Like the right slope is open. What's he box? The other seems to have that plate number. Yeah. Exactly. Like, oh, we're gonna just have to put you up there at 50. Sorry. You're on 50th request for this. That's what they do if somebody comes to the light number. Yeah. And there's just no way. I thought they would like call you. They do, and they tell you to take something else or whatever because somebody's running out there. So what's the new download? But it's your mom. She's old. She's living. You never let me get away with shit, but you let somebody take you to the end of a crane? Bullshit. I am calling bullshit on that. Bullshit. You did this yourself. She's just trying to see if I'll go get her. She's a fucking liar, that's what she is. Because my real mom would have passed out in the bottom of the crane and they would have had to deadlift her all the way up there, and they're not going to do it. Exactly. Owe me everything. Oh my god, I feel Steve have to say to me, I just look up. I'd be like, wow. Like, no, I'm good. Damn, man. The itch. Like 45 minutes now. I'm talking like the tape is so dry. Yeah, so dry. Soft. Yeah, and the white cream was good. And there was, just enough to, you know what I mean? Yeah. Just enough so that it didn't overkill you, but it was all sweet and good. Yeah. children are nothing. You know. Yeah, no, they were saying that like now they're claiming that it's nothing when they said that it's still like I said, need to pay. They would be they debated it for a hot minute. They all like okay, what can they come at us with? Yeah, right. Is it worth it to say no? My purse. I just need my wallet. Thank you. Wait.
Chicken a cup in Alabama. That's. See it. We're here at a rest stop, and we're resting. They got Spanish moss. You can't really see it, but it's there. Kind of tired, kind of wired. You know what I'm saying? Been editing and okay. I just finished editing the last this episode that you're watching right now, and the two before it. I got the skills. I got the cool head. God, Jesus Christ, help me! I'm getting old and getting worse. Hey, babe, I'm Bluetooth. Damn it! He's getting blurry. Aim me up, boo. We ate on the way over here. We ate at Wawa's. Donuts, that's a little different. That's a late night snack.
That's not food. That's like snacky stuff.
I don't wait on you.
No, this is like it's like at our house. Now you can put the button on.
I can put the button on.
Also, I found where the Acadian.
I haven't done a button on in years.
The Acadian Village. I saw where it is. Okay.
See, then you just go down, clear down through. Whoops.
To the second one, or do you cross?
Well, you do either.
Okay.
Yeah, buttons are pretty easy as far as sewing goes. I can do a button as the other type of sewing.
Yeah,
but
like
not as
yarn, like what do they call it?
This is the hard thing coming back.
When you have to do a hole and the darning.
You
When you
Yeah.
gotta darn
do
a
this,
hole.
I
I can't do that. I
Yeah.
can't. I can do a button. I can do a little hem,
You may have to do that. I can't.
but I can't
have
darn a hole.
I have. I wonder if I gave. I don't know if I gave her thimble.
Turns like totally sideways. It doesn't go up, it turns. Yeah. We came out here and ate
Yeah, just a little tired. I'm feeling a little tired. told you my eyes were coming out of their sockets. Nobody believed me. Slept in too much. I'd like to request help. I'm not sure if I have, if I was stretching, if I was reaching, what I was trying to do exactly. Hey, it's me. I think what's happening is I'm trying to get up. God, the things they must have saw back then.
All right then, dog.
He's looking for
You
the
must
boy.
go. Away with you.